You look good.
Thank you.
I'm glad I'm not in the garage making videos.
Yes, it's a nice change up.
How do you feel about my challenge?
I think it's a lot of work for me.
Right? What's going on, guys? We're on day 8. This challenge is way harder than I thought it was going to be. Uploading every day. I'm spending half my time working on the car and the other half editing the videos. I don't put a ton of time into editing, as you could tell. They're pretty cut and dry, and that still takes up half my time. I'm not the best editor in the world, so I'm slow at it. I'm sure as it gets going on, I'll be a little bit faster. But for now, I'm getting it. It's hard. It's not easy. I didn't get as far as I wanted. I did figure out where I want to put the hole for my MSD box to run the harnesses through. So right at the bottom of the floorboard here, underneath. All right, so that's where I have the hole up underneath there, way at the back. So with the hole right there, that was the easiest spot I could get to, and it'll be out of the way. Passenger feet and stuff won't be able to hit it. Seal it somehow. I'll figure out that. All right, so once I get my fender on here and the hinges and all that, this thing's gonna be pretty hidden. So if I wanted to go right there, I think I'm gonna run the harnesses up through here and then cut across the top. Some zip tie things that you like push into the firewall and then zip them up. They're pretty sweet. So I'll put a link to those in the description so you guys can see what I'm talking about. They're not that expensive, and it sure does make life a lot easier. So I'm gonna show you how those things work. I'm gonna go ahead and push these harnesses through. Check this little kit out right here. You got all these little different sizes. You can open them, close them as much as you want. And then there's this zip tie. That makes the job a lot easier. Instead of zip ties and trying to stuff it into quarters, just get those things, get you a 1/4-inch drill bit, bam, smash a hole, and just throw it in there. And then look at that. It's almost like a factory job. Pretty cool. Probably all the recording I'm gonna get done today. I'll probably work on the car late tonight.